How to disable ads on an Android phone. If you want to reduce annoying ads on your Android phone, this video will show you several settings you can change to block or limit ads. First, open the Settings app and tap More Connection Settings. Then select Private DNS. Choose Private DNS Provider Hostname and enter dns.adguard.com. Tap Save. This can help block many ads across websites and apps. Next, open Google Chrome and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Site Settings. Tap Notifications and select Don't allow sites to send notifications. Go back and open pop-ups and redirects, then make sure they're blocked. Also, open Intrusive Ads and make sure Chrome blocks ads from websites known for showing intrusive or misleading ads. Now, go back to Settings, tap Apps, select Special App Access, then tap Appear on Top or Display over other apps. Review the apps listed here and turn off this permission for apps you don't want appearing over other apps. Finally, go to Settings, open Google, and select All Services. Find Ads and open Ad Privacy. Turn off the available ad personalization options, then reset or delete your advertising ID if those options are available on your device. After making these changes, restart your phone. That's how you can reduce ads and improve your privacy on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.